Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to play the game or the match Ghost in the Shell on Eggy Party game. So here it is. Let's get started. First thing you need to do is you need to watch the HP bar and make sure you are not getting hit by the AG bomb. Okay, like this, guys. The important thing is you don't get hit by the other player like that, okay, or your HP bar will gonna lose like this, okay. And over here I have a still full HP bar, but another player is have get damage by me, okay, like this. And the main game is you need to make another player get damage from your attack, okay. You can attack with the AG bomb or the weapon, another weapon like this, okay. You can play in the landmine or the bowling ball like this, okay, like that, guys. So here it is. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you like the video, you can like, comment, and share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have a questions, you can leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and bye. Okay.